निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनम बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
यथार्थानुभव यथार्थानुभवस्य लक्षणं किं? तद्वति तत्प्रकारको अनुभव यथार्थानुभव तद्वति तत्प्रकारकः घटत्व प्रकार घट विशेष्य घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञान। वो किसका, व्हाट इज दैट विषय? घटः। अयम घटः इति प्रमा। ये आपको बैठना है तो बैठो, आपको जाना है तो जा सकते। यू डिसाइड व्हाट एवर। घटवती घट प्रकार का अयम घटः, ठीक है। अयम घटः घट विशेष्य घटत्व प्रकारक, ये यथार्थ ज्ञान। दिस इज यथार्थ ज्ञान। वेन इट इज भ्रांति अयथार्थ ज्ञानम, अयथार्थ ज्ञानस्य लक्षणं किं? तदभाववती तत्प्रकारक तत्प्रकारक। सो व्हाट इज द प्रकार इन घट भ्रम? प्रकाशी तद अभाववती तत्प्रकारक ज्ञानम इज घट भ्रम। इन घट भ्रम अभाव इज घट अभाव। सो घट अभाववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम। एवरीबडी जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट। घट अभाववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम घट भ्रम। समझो इट इज ए स्टोन, इट इज ए रॉक, एंड आई गेट द नॉलेज इट इज घट। व्हाट इज इट? रॉक, एंड द इल्यूशन इज इट इज घट। तो पत्थर है और घट लग रहा है, तो घटत्व ज्ञान इज हैपनिंग, बट एक्चुअली देर इज घट अभाव। घट अभाववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम घट भ्रम। घट भ्रम घट घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम घटवती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम घट प्रमा। घटत्व अभाववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम घट भ्रम। दिस यू रिमेंबर, ओके? नाउ फर्दर, if somebody says the Brahma is, or I don't know if Ghatavat Brahma. Ghatavat Brahma. See, whenever there is Brahma means whatever is the Visheshya, right? It will be Abhava. It will have Abhava. So, Ghatat, if I say Ghatavat Brahma, means घट अभाववत विशेष्य and घट प्रकार का. It will not be घटत्व because it will be घटत्ववत. घटत्ववत is what? घट, not abhav. घटत्ववत is घट. घटत्व वाला क्या है? घट. Okay. Then we saw कारणं. कारणस्य लक्षणं किम्? कारणस्य लक्षणं किम्? कार्य अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे सति कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति कारणम. अन्यथा सिद्ध नहीं हो. कुलाल के घट के प्रति कुलाल का पिता, कुलाल पिता इज अन्यथा सिद्ध. अन्यथा सिद्ध यस्टरडे वी सॉ दंडत्व. दंडत्व इज अन्यथा सिद्ध फॉर घट उत्पत्ति. दंड इज अनन्यथा सिद्ध. So how they also explain another way is you don't have to put forth effort to bring dandatva, or when you bring dandatva comes. Like Kulal is required to make ghata. Kulal pita, he is sitting there, you don't have to bring him, so he is anyatha siddha. Kulal is ananyatha siddha. Kulal pita is anyatha siddha. Okay. Anyatha siddha भिन्नत्वे सति कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति कारणम. Everybody clear so far? Online?
Yes, Ramji.
हाँ.
Yes, Ramji.
Now karyam, prag bhav pratyogi. Yesterday we saw this. What is karyam? Prag bhav pratyogi. Prag bhav does not have prag bhav. Other than prag bhav, everything has prag bhav. What all things will have prag bhav? What is nitya will have pragabhava. What is nitya does not have pragabhava. What is anitya, what is anadi will not have pragabhava. Dvamsa, whatever is vinashi vastu will have dvamsa. So vinashi vastu is called dvamsa pratyogi. Karya is called pragabhav pratyogi. Vinashi vastu is called dvamsa pratyogi. Is subject to destruction is called dvamsa pratyogi. Means it will have dvamsa. Okay. Further now. कारणं त्रिविधम्. समवायी असमवायी निमित्त. कारणं त्रिविधम. There are three karanas. So Vedanta we say two karana. Nayayika they say three karana. समवायी असमवायी निमित्त कारण. निमित्त is same as निमित्त. समवायी is upadanam. They have something else also called asamvayi कारण. There is no padakritya on that one, so that is yate tats यथा तन्तवः पटस्य पश्च स्वगत यत् समवेतं कार्यम् उत्पद्यते तत् समवायी कारणम्। पटस्य समवायी कारणं तन्तवः। पटस्य समवायी कारणं तन्तवः। Many tantus are there to form one pata. Yat samavetam karyam utpadyate. So now you see, karya means pataha. Yat samavetam pata utpadyate. Pata utpatti with it is associated with samavaya sambandha. That thing is called samavaya. So tantu are there, pata is there in tantu with samavaya sambandha. This is their idea. Okay. Now question can be there. Is sambandha requires two things or not? So samavaya sambandha means there has to be two things. What are the two things? Tantu and pata. Tantu and pata is the sambandha. Samavaya sambandha is between what and what? Tantu and pata. You need two things. Before pata is formed, only tantus are there. Before pata comes into existence, how can there be sambandha? See, tantus are there. Pata is not there. After pata comes, then there is samvaya sambandha. After pata comes, samvaya sambandha is there, or because samvaya sambandha is there, therefore pata is formed. After pata comes, how will pata come without samvaya sambandha? Tantus are there. Only samvaya sambandha is there, pata will be formed, right? Without samvaya sambandha, between two tantu, sambandha will come. How? Sambandha is already there. It is already there or it will come? Huh?
Before it comes, there is sambandha.
If samvaya sambandha is there already between two tantu, then
Already crossed.
so first what is there you have to tell me. Two tantus are there, samvaya sambandha is there, not there. Then samvaya sambandha will come between two tantus. Then it is a pata. Sambandha is not between two tantu. Samvaya sambandha is between tantu and pata. You see, samvaya is karana, right? Samvaya karana. Patasya samvaya karanam tantava. ठीक है? So sambandha is between what and what? Karya and karana. If you keep it simple, karya and karana will have samvaya sambandha. Karya is not there yet, only karana is there. So samvaya sambandha is not there. So now what comes first? Karya will come, then samvaya sambandha will come. When you don't think, then there are no questions. No question. This is a question to answer. Another question. So this is how we do their khandana on this one. You say samvaya sambandha between karya and karana. You tell us first karana comes, karya comes, then sambandha is established, or first samvaya, then karya utpatti takes place. Huh? First karya comes, first pata utpatti, then sambandha will come. Okay. So anyway, so they say, okay, the first pata comes, tantus are there, pata also comes, then samvaya sambandha also comes. So everything happens simultaneously. You got it. Okay. So see, the thing is, we say this is anirvachaniya. It is easy to explain that it is anirvachaniya. It is, you cannot say it is sat, you cannot say it is asat, you cannot say it is sadasat. Huh? तो हमने वो सिद्धांत स्वीकार किया है ना. सी इन वेदांत वी हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है. दे आर सेइंग वी विल एक्सप्लेन. सो नाउ वी कैन आस्क देम क्वेश्चन. They cannot ask the question because we have already said, other than Brahma, anything you try to question, you will not have the answer. We have already said. They will say, no, we will define. Somebody will say it is Triguna, somebody will say it is Sapta Padartha. I say, okay, we will ask you question. They cannot ask us the question because we have similarly creation, Srishti also. We have said there is no creation. So we don't have to explain creation. If they say, we say Maya. You are saying creation is Satyam. Right? So now you have to explain. We say karma and sharira. What came first? So we say it is anirvachan. You will never get the answer. Right? This is our stand. You are saying we will explain. So then you explain. Mimamsakas we will ask, because they hold karma. So who is at flaw? Not us. You are saying Vedanti will get stuck. Vedanti will not get stuck. Vedanti क्या तुम वेदांती हो कि क्या एकदम मतलब पार्टी बदल दे. Vedanti will not have any problem because we are very clear. Anything you try to explain, you will get stuck. You want to explain. You don't say Vedanti is stuck. Vedanti doesn't get stuck because Vedanti has already accepted कि हमको ये नहीं है. यत् समवेतम कार्यम उत्पद्यते तत् जिसके साथ समवेत होकर के कार्य समवेतम कार्यम उत्पत्ति अनंतरम समवायो भवति. ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. यत् समवायि कारण यथा तंतवः पटस्य समवायि कारण पटस्य स्वगत रूपादेः. अनदर दृष्टांत इज पट स्वगत रूपादेः समवायि कारण. पट रूप इज वेयर इन पट the samvaya sambandha. So pata is samvaya karana for pata rupa. Tantu is samvaya karana for pata. Pata is samvaya karana for pata rupa. Now in general we have to understand. Samvaya karana will always be a dravya. out of 7 padarthas, Samavai Karana will be Dravya only. What are the padarthas, Sapta padarthas? Of these 7, only Dravya will be Samvai Karana. Okay, this you have to note. Samavayi Karana. Samavaya is there in Sapta Padartha. Samavaya is the Sambandha. Samavaya Sambandha is not Samavayi Karana. Samavaya Sambandha is different. It is a Sambandha. Samavayi Karanam is Dravya. Note this point. Samavayi Karanam is Dravya. Samavaya is Sambandha. Which Dravya will have, let's say, Prithvi Parmanu. What is the Samvai Karanam for Prithvi Parmanu? What is the online students? What is the Samavai Karanam for Prithvi Parmanu?
Paramanu is Nitya Swamiji, so there won't be Karana.
Correct. Parmanu is Nitya. What is the Karana for Nitya Vastu? There is no Karana. Nitya Vastu don't have Karana. It was a trick question. Anitya Vastu. Prithvi Anitya. So Pata Samvai Karana is Tantu. Ghata Samvai Karana is Kapala. Let us say. Any Avayavi Dravya, its Samvai Karana will be its Avayava. Avayavi Dravya Samavai Karanam Avayava Dravya. Avayavi Dravya. Avayavi means that which has Avayava is called Avayavi. Avayavi Dravya Samvai Karana is Avayava Dravya. Avayavi Guna Samvai Karanam or Avayava Dravya will have Samvai, will have Guna. Prithvi Parmanu. Prithvi Parmanu, what Guna it has? Why it will have? Prithvi Parmanu will have what Guna? Gandha.
Swamiji, Prathama.
What is that? The Prathama Kshana you forget. Prithvi Parmanu will have what Guna? Gandha. Then Prithvi will have Rupa or not? The Rupa will not be there. Rupa will be there. Rasa will be there. Rasa will be there. Sparsha will be there. Sankhya. So many gunas is there. Only Gandha is there and just sitting there. Sankhya is there, Parimana is there, Prathatva, Sanyoga, Vibhaga, they all are there. Then, what is the next guna? Gurutva is there, Dravatva, Paratva, Aparatva, Sneha. Sneha is also there. Shabda, all many can be there. No, buddhi, jnana, they will not. Raga, dvesha is not there. No, raga is there in your book. Buddhi, sukha, dukkha. Okay. No, see, you will have to keep looking. When there is some holiday, you have to keep looking here and there. Otherwise, some things you don't remember. Okay? Padakritya you see now. Yasmin samvaya sambandhena vartamanam. Who will read Padakritya?
यस्मिन् समवायसम्बन्धेन वर्तमानं कार्यम् उत्पद्यते तत् इत्यर्थः चक्रादिवारणाय
समवेतम् यस्मिन् समवाय संबंधेन वर्तमानं कार्यम् उत्पद्यते तत् इत्यर्थः. What is tat? Anybody can answer. यस्मिन् समवाय संबंधेन वर्तमानं कार्यम् उत्पद्यते तत् समवायी कारणम. तत् समवायी कारणम. Because we are doing व्याख्या for समवायी कारणम. लक्षण is for समवायी कारणम. यस्मिन् समवाय संबंधेन वर्तमानं कार्यम् उत्पद्यते. यस्मिन् यस्मिन् सप्तमी विभक्ति is for अधिकरण. यस्मिन् तंतौ तंतुषु बहुवचन. समवाय संबंधेन वर्तमानं कार्यं पटो पटः उत्पद्यते. पट उत्पत्ति will be there in that. तत् समवायी कारण. चक्रादि वारणाय समवेतम. चक्रादि वारणाय. चक्र दंड चक्र इत्यादि they are not समवायी कारणम. Right? They are निमित्त कारण. They are not असमवायी कारण. They are निमित्त कारण. जो चक्रादि वारणा है समवेतम. बिकॉज चक्र इज नॉट इन घट विथ समवाय संबंध. ओके, नाउ फर्दर असमवायी कारणस्य लक्षणम. कार्येण कारणेन वा सहैकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत्कारणम् असमवायी कारणम्. कार्येण कारणेन वा सहैकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणम् असमवायी कारणम्. So कार्येण, first you have to read this way. इसको pay attention. कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणम् असमवायी कारणम्. कारणेन सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणम् असमवायी कारणम्. So two ways असमवायी कारण is possible. That's why va is given. कार्येण वा कारणेन वा. सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे, that part is same. So first definition, just see कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणम् असमवायी कारणम्. And its दृष्टांत is first दृष्टांत. यथा तंतु संयोगः पटस्य. So this दृष्टांत is for कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम. And the second दृष्टांत तंतुरूपम पटरूपस्य. दिस इज द दृष्टांत फॉर कारणेन सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे. So both are examples for asamvayi karana, but using two different lakshanas. Now don't look in the book, just look here. कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम कारण. तंतु is the samvayi karana for pata, where in tantu pata utpatti happens. Of that patasya karanam tantava. So tantus karyena saha, along with that तंतुस कार्यम एकस्मिन् अर्थे, in that tantu from where pata is formed, in there something else is also samvetam. So the tantu, the drashtanta given, tantu sanyogaha patasya asamvayika. Just there in tantu with samvaya sambandha, tantu sanyoga is also there in tantu with samvaya sambandha. No, sambandha is with sambandha, samvaya sambandha. Samavaya and samavayi, they are different. Okay. In tantu, pata is exist. See, this is tantu, let us say. In tantu, pata is there. In tantu, another thing is also sitting. Tantu sanyoga. So, in tantu, with its karya, which is pata, along with that another member is sitting. That fellow who is adjacent to pata. So imagine this way, like there is a chair. Maharaj's class is early. Panchadashi class. So they don't get enough time for walk and whatnot. So anyway, tantu is there. In tantu, pata is also sitting. Tantu sanyoga is also sitting. Pata is also with samvaya sambandha. Tantu sanyog is also with samvaya sambandha. So, pata and tantu sanyoga, between them, tantu sanyoga is asamavayi karana. I am giving example like pata is here, tantu sanyoga. It is in the same place. Okay? So, tantu is samvayi karana. Tantu sanyoga is asamavayi karana. But it is sitting on par with pata. And that's why it is tantu sanyoga itself is called pata. What is pata? Tantu sanyoga. But tantu sanyoga also has its karana. Because tantu sanyoga means tantu sanyoga is there with in tantu with samvaya sambandha. pata is there in tantu with samvaya sambandha. So karyena, when you say karyena saha, karya you take pata. Pata is the karyam for tantu. Just as pata is in tantu with samvaya sambandha, tantu sanyoga is also in tantu with samvaya sambandha. That thing is called asamvayi karana for pata. कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम. It is also ekasmin arthe. That ekasmin artha is tantu. In tantu alone, tantu sanyoga also has samvaya sambandha, pata also has samvaya sambandha. Now second one. कारणेन सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम सत्कारणम असमवायी कारण. सह सुदृष्ट पटः पटरूपस्य समवायी कारणम पटः. So कारणेन, here you have to take that part. पटरूपस्य कारणम पटः. पटेन सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम. So pata is there with samvaya sambandha in tantu. Pata is there with samvaya sambandha in tantu, correct? Tantu rupa is where? Tantu rupa is where? In tantu. Tantu rupa with which sambandha? Samavaya. Tantu rupa is in tantu with samvaya sambandha. Samvaya sambandha. So now there are two things in tantu. Pata, tantu rupa. Pata and tantu rupa. Okay? Earlier it was different. Earlier we saw pata and tantu sanyoga. Now we are talking about pata tantu rupa. Okay? Now in that in pata there is pata rupa. Because the drishtanta is tantu rupam pata rupasya किम. तंतुरूपम पटरूपस्य किम. असमवायी कारण लक्षण इज गोइंग ऑन. सो तंतुरूपम is connected to tantu. Patarupam to with which sambandha? Samvaya sambandha. And pata is connected to only whatever. Pata tantu which only samvaya. Asamvaya sambandha. Asamvayi is karana. It is asamvayi, not asama. There is no such thing called asamvaya. Like there is no such thing called maya. Understood? There is no asamvaya. So tantu rupa connected to tantu. Which sambandha? पटरूप said here and patarupa, this is samvaya sambandha, right? So patasya tantu samvayi karanam, but patasya tantu rupam, why not patasya is connected to tantu rupa, because whatever is the tantu rupa, it will come to pata rupa. So tantu pata samvaya sambandha, tantu patasya samvaya pata rupa, between them asamvayi karya karana sambandha, karanam rupa, which is asamvayi pata rupa. Om पूर्णमिदं मुच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.